Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. Today we will came up with the topic named Overretain deciduous or primary teeth in a child patients. Overretain primary teeth is a dental condition in which one or more of a child's primary teeth they do not come out at the expected time and do not allow the permanent tooth to erupt or to grow in the mouth.
Normally, the primary teeth exfoliate naturally on a fairly predictable timeline, beginning around age 6 on average, and the permanent teeth erupt within a few months, subsequent to each primary tooth loss. When this process does not occur within a year of expectation, a comprehensive dental exam along with dental x-rays is needed to evaluate the tooth or teeth to determine the cause of over-retention. Now we'll talk about the causes of over-retained primary teeth or milk teeth. The most common reason that a primary tooth or a milk tooth becomes over-retained is the absence of underlying permanent tooth. The permanent tooth usually breaks down the root of the primary tooth and pushes it until the baby tooth falls out. Therefore, without that pressure, the primary tooth often remain in place. The other common reasons for missing permanent teeth may be number 1, certain syndromes, number 2, endocrine disorders, number 3, trauma, number 4, eradication, and number 5 is infection. In some cases of over-retained primary teeth or milk teeth, the baby tooth has loosened but then tightens back into the gums, keeping the permanent tooth from erupting. If you are concerned that one or more of your child's primary teeth or milk teeth may be over-retained, contact the dentist immediately. Now we will see in the question answer sessions. Question is, will retained deciduous teeth or milk teeth fall out? Retained baby teeth or milk teeth can occur in any breed. However, we see it most commonly in smaller breeds. It is important to remove these teeth as soon as it becomes evidence that they are not going to fall out on their own. Next question is, what health problems can arise with retained deciduous teeth? Answer is, because the tooth decay is an increased threat for over-retained baby teeth. The chances of serious periodontal disease also increases. Abscessed tooth, an infection or around the gum line or bone is also possible. Retained baby teeth can also begin to change the structure of your entire bite as other teeth erupt. Retained deciduous teeth are teeth that do not exfoliate once the permanent tooth erupts. The most common retained deciduous tooth is the upper canine tooth, followed by the lower canine. The following question is, can baby teeth stay forever? Answer, all 20 baby teeth tends to be fully grown in by age 3. Once permanent teeth starts to form behind the existing ones, they push the baby teeth out. Sometimes a person's baby teeth aren't pushed out and remain until adulthood.
Yesterday only, patient named RV came to our dental office with over-retained deciduous teeth. Listen patient testimonial from his own voice.
आपका नाम बताओ बेटा.
आरवी.
पूरा नाम बताओ.
आरवी बहनोर.
ओके. हाउ ओल्ड आर यू? कितनी उम्र है आपकी? 5. ओके. मुझे आप बताना कि आपको क्या तकलीफ है, आप यहाँ पे क्यों आई हैं?
मेरा ऊपर का टीथ टूट गया.
यस. आपको लग रहा है ना कि ये टीथ तेरा ऊपर का बाहर आ रहा है ऐसे?
हाँ.
यस. शी इज आरवी. दिस इज द एंटीरियर टीथ. These are deciduous teeth. So today we are going to extract this teeth. You all can view in the pictures. This is the photographs one day after the extraction.
So parents, always remember, if your child is having overeaten deciduous teeth or milk teeth, do visit your dentist because he is the right person. He will guide you correctly. See you soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.